From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
A good Wednesday to everybody out there. It is Hunter in the studio this afternoon with the latest on your CNET forecast. Now, if you've been walking out and about to class today, you've probably noticed that we've had a good coverage of clouds for just about the entire day. But some good news heading towards the day tomorrow, a little bit more sunshine in the mix. Also, a little bump up as far as the temperatures are concerned, which I think is probably a refreshing change of pace for a lot of folks out there. As it stands right now, though, temperature is 61 degrees, so probably long sleeve weather for a lot of folks. But again, as we head towards the day tomorrow, some more warmth getting into the area. But here's what we see on the satellite and radar right now. You can see a pretty good coverage of clouds, especially over central Pennsylvania. Starting to thin out a little bit, but look at all the sunshine off to both our east and to our west. And as we head towards the afternoon tomorrow, we'll see more sunshine make its way into central Pennsylvania. Temperatures right now elsewhere across central Pennsylvania, generally in the 60s, but again, an expanded view shows some warmer weather, especially off to our west. It's 70 right now in Franklin, 70 in Pittsburgh, and by tomorrow afternoon, those 70s likely making their way into central Pennsylvania. So a nice change of pace coming up as we head towards tomorrow afternoon. But here's Futurecast. We'll focus in on the next 24 hours. I wanted to walk through just a couple hours at a time. So heading through the rest of this afternoon, I think especially by the late afternoon into the early evening hours, we start to see a little bit of the cloud coverage diminishing here. And we'll go with a partly cloudy sky overnight tonight. But it will be a little bit on the chilly side again. We'll drop down into the middle 40s, so probably light jacket weather for a lot of folks if you have any plans out there this evening. Now, tomorrow morning, some clouds likely to start the day, but as we head towards the late morning hours into the early afternoon, more sunshine in the mix, and again, it will be a warmer afternoon with temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. A nice change of pace coming up for tomorrow afternoon. Now, of course, everybody is talking about the tropics, so what's going on with Hurricane Matthew? We'll take a look at the latest observations out there. So the hurricane has moved north of Haiti, also north of the Cuban island there, but winds sustained right now at 120 miles per hour. The minimum pressure is 963 millibars. Now, we'll go ahead and look at the National Hurricane Center track for this one, and if you've been paying attention over the past couple of days, this track may look a little bit different, and we have seen a swing in the models as of late, but this is our latest thinking based on the best guidance. So as the hurricane continues to move up to the northwest, likely re-strengthening a little bit into a stronger Category 3 hurricane or to a Category 4 hurricane, and as it looks right now, looks like the hurricane will edge the Florida coast there or just graze the coast, potentially just off the coast of Florida. Now, you'll notice how close this line is to the coast, so if it moves just off to the east or just off to the west, that could mean substantially different impacts. So this is something that we'll continue to watch over the next 12 hours or so and continue to keep you updated with all the latest. But as it continues to move up to the north, likely edges the Georgia Atlantic coast, even into South Carolina and North Carolina before it starts to curve back into the Atlantic. Now, at this point, the model's really having a hard time with what exactly is going to happen. And it's possible that it curves back around, but again, this is something that will likely change, and we'll keep an eye on it over the next couple of days, and of course keep you updated with all the latest. But out ahead of the hurricane, we do have hurricane warnings in effect for much of the Bahamas, also much of the Florida Atlantic coast from Miami, points northward to just south of Jacksonville. Also tropical storm warnings in effect for parts of southern Florida, including the Florida Keys. So that's how the warning map looks right now. Again, changes are possible to this forecast. We'll keep you updated with all the latest. Follow on Twitter for most up-to-date details. Tonight, we'll drop down to 44 degrees for our overnight low, a partly cloudy sky. In your forecast for tomorrow, a afternoon high of 69, so a little bit warmer, more sunshine as well. A mostly to partly sunny sky for tomorrow. Your 7-day forecast, you can see another mostly sunny day for Friday, so if you're going to the homecoming parade, weather looks absolutely great. Temperatures near 70, but by Saturday, of course, we have the game. Looks like we could have some scattered showers in the forecast. We'll continue to tweak this forecast and keep you updated with all the latest, especially by tomorrow. And then for Sunday, a partly sunny sky, temperatures in the lower 60s. Tuesday into Wednesday, looks like the sunshine sticks around, temperatures in the middle 60s. That's it for your forecast for this afternoon. Again, I'm Hunter Williams. Have a great day.